Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Caine from the Amazing Digital Circus. Let's start with upper jaw. Draw a curve. Draw other two curves on the top and connect the sides. Draw teeth. Draw lower jaw. Draw similar curved line for the lower jaw. Draw teeth. Draw eyeballs. Draw eyes. Draw eyeballs. Draw eyes. Draw hat. Detail the hat. Draw a rectangle of the size same as head for basic body shape. Then, split it into two as upper body and lower body. Further divide the upper body and draw a triangle at lower part for the pelvis. Draw leg. Draw shoes. Draw leg. Draw shoes. Draw bow tie. Draw buttons. Draw collar. Draw coat. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw walk stick. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.